What? How the fuck? How the fuck did that happen? I'm gonna go look. No, it's because that car stopped. And there's no bodies in here. No bodies. Zach, come here, look it, I see you, come over here. Just joking, I don't see it, but you're close to me. Come down to the car, look at there's like no bodies. Oh, come on, Sam, let's fight already. Who are you talking to, Zach?
Probably.
Zach. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Can I punch you at least this once? Alright. Oh, we got carried away. Can we use guns? Shoot me!
No, sit. Noah, sit. Sit.
Blow my head off.
Sit, Noah.
Blow my head off. I think I have 1 versus 3. That's not right.